I ain't even gonna lie. I feel like I unlocked the code, and I may have. One thing you gotta understand is consistency. It's the only way a door gonna open on anything that you're doing. A lot of people wanna ask me, "Hey yo, bro, how are you doing this YouTube stuff? You know, how did you get your background like that?" And the only thing I could really say is I watch how-to videos. What I need you to understand is you would never learn anything if you don't put your mind to it. And it's a lot of things with Google and YouTube are in conjunction. You could ask YouTube a question and you will see videos that will help you. I can't give you all the videos that I've learned how to do what I'm doing because that was over the years. You get what I'm saying? So it's just about searching, research, and you will find. Your mind will go nowhere if you don't take it nowhere. To anybody that need help and want help on building their own platform, building their own label, on how to become a musician, an artist, I'm the guy. I promise you, I'm probably low right now with the views, low right now with the retention. You could say whatever, but it's a lot that I learned that I could teach people. I'm not mad about where I'm at in life. I'm not mad where I'm at with music. I get paid for my music every month on Spotify. Every song got close to 30,000 streams, 20,000, 15 is, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, like right now, I'm doing my thing. And a lot of people want to know how to do this, so why not? I'm not the type that's gonna gatekeep. I'm gonna give it to you just how you need. You know what I'm saying? First thing is to get up off your ass. Two is to find what your niche is. When I mean niche, it means what comes easy to you that's hard for everybody else. Three, after you find your niche, start recording yourself. Start going live. Stop having a feeling of, damn, I don't know when I should do something, or, you know, you're not motivated to do it. It's like, if you really want to do something, you're going to do it. And the only way you start doing this is when you start doing it. When you press start streaming, when you press start recording, that's the only way something is going to happen. And that's one thing I'm learning myself. Every video I watch when somebody's teaching me, it's another thing I learned is, you know, like, I'm not going to post to my friends and family anymore. This something that I want to do. This something that I want to push. You get what I'm saying? I don't care about everybody else looking at it, my friends and family, because this is not, you know, if it's something that they want from me, they would look without me even, you know what I'm saying? They're going to hit me up and tell me, yo, bro, I was watching, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But when you send out and post on Facebook and, you know, to your close social medias, they're not going to give you the attention that you need inside these videos. They're not going to give you the attention that you need inside these videos. They're going to click these videos and it's maybe going to go to 3 minutes. Honestly, after 3 minutes, they're going to back out and it's going to give out the algorithm to YouTube a bad review. It's going to say nobody really watches your videos. It's going to say nobody really goes through your whole video, even if it was 15 minutes. They only stayed for 3 minutes. So that is what they calculate, and then that's what it's an analyst that collects everything. Right now, like, I'm still learning how to talk. I'm still learning how to give my speech on every time I press record and press start. You know, when I mess up words sometimes, I recover. I say it over. I'm going to edit it. So when I edit it, you won't notice that I messed up. So I can say words 2 times sometimes and you won't even know it. I could mess up. I could curse. I could rewrite my sentence. It's everything that you learn when you press record. You don't learn nothing if you're not doing it. You know what I'm saying? You're not learning anything if you're not editing. I edit on CapCut. It's so many people who edit on so many other things. I could break a lot of things. I'd rather you guys put in the comments, what do you want to know about this? Like, I'm an artist. I do music. I was never really a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I was never thinking of having a background and going live streaming. That wasn't until the last couple of years when I seen that everything was changing. You get what I'm saying? The whole scenery of the industry switched over into streaming. We watch Hollywood, but there is no more doors opening in Hollywood. You see stars coming from streamers and stars coming from people who make skits and YouTubers. That's where you seeing them right now. Believe it or not, your favorite rapper isn't even making more money than one of my favorite YouTubers, and he's a newscast. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, he gives news and he's making $25,000 a month on YouTube. And that's just that's a light. If he go hard that month, he could get up to 100,000. I'm not saying every rapper is like that, but I've checked, you know, I'm the type that'll show, you know, and matter of fact, this is just to show you guys just a little bit of what I'm talking about. And what I do to show you this, bro, is first off, go to the website vidIQ and you'll be doing exactly what I'm doing right now. I analyze everybody's channel. Everybody's my competition. If you make a YouTube, you're my competition, period. But I want to show you something right quick. If I was to go to Sada Baby, that's one of my favorite artists, Detroit artist. If I was to go to his music page and the list it shows he makes $661 a month. And you want to know why it's bad for an artist? Because y'all just worry about, oh, let me make this song, let me drop this song. Let me make a video to this song, make a visual to it so people could watch it. Cause, it's they songs, they new song, they like it. All right, boom. And then it's like, all right, what else? What else? Poetic Flacco, and he's a newscast. He gives you the hip hop news, industry news. You go to his page, he's making 23.8K for this month right now. That's how he uploads 27 videos per week. I'm not flabbergasting on nothing I'm saying. I can go through more artists if you want. You get what I'm saying? Like, I could literally go through more artists if you want. But when I go to most of these artists' page, you got to think about the attention that they're getting. You know what I'm saying? This artist is only making 6,000 a month on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying that's bad, because it's not bad at all. Give me 6,000, I'm straight. But what I'm trying to say is, you got to be a popping artist. You got to keep flooding. You got to keep dropping music for you to even on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get them streams. But if you a dormant artist and you just been doing your thing for a minute, and then now you just dropping videos once or twice a month, you're not going to really get a lot unless people love your old music and they're always going back on YouTube. But you got to think about it. You're an artist. So we listening to you on Apple Music and Spotify, sometimes SoundCloud. These are the things that I'm learning. So if you an artist, yeah, you got to get into being a YouTuber now. You got to get into being a streamer. These are the things that you got to do, or you won't grow how you should. You get what I'm saying? Me, myself, SDMG the label. This is what y'all on right now. I turned my label page into a reaction page. I turned my label page into a news page. You get what I'm saying? I turned my label page into a workout fitness page because I needed to have content to bring people to me so they can know what's up over here. What's up? Who's this person? Let me listen to his music. Let me see what it's about. Oh, I like it. Damn, let me go to his actual artist page. Oh, I like his visuals that he got. He need to do more. Yeah, hop in my comments and talk shit to me to get in the booth or get in the streets and do these Jersey here on the block visuals. You get what I'm saying? Oh, damn, he got a whole page Jersey here on the block visuals. I'm a whole entity myself. And when you know that you are what you are, you build that. You get what I'm saying? I'm more than just an artist. I'm a label owner. I'm a content creator. I'm a fitness influencer. Like I could have so many. You get what I'm saying? Because this is what I am. You talking about niche or niche? We'll find your niche or niche, right? All right. Guess what? I got so many. When I work out, my body is pristine. A1 jeans. You get what I'm saying? When I'm in the booth, I spit the hottest shit. Y'all probably don't understand or know it because y'all don't know me, but I have to put myself out there for that. This is the things I can teach. You got to hit me up though. Y'all got to say y'all want this, because if y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. These reaction videos, these news videos, but I could bring how-tos and I can do so much more. Y'all got to want this. You know what I'm saying? Break things down into, like, what I'm trying to say is, like, you break things down into segments of, what I want to watch Get Cudi for. You know what I'm saying? Basically, that's all it is. Because of the simple fact, some of you maybe watch me for the reactions I just put up. Some of you maybe watch me for the news that I put out. And then some of you probably come to me for these and find out that I do music and actually like my music and or like my artist music. It's so much. And I'm not the one that's gonna pinpoint and try to drag everybody to. No, you find what you like about me and we do what we do. But like I said, if you like this content, you're going to follow. And if you want to learn, you're going to comment. So it's like I'm not pushing nobody to do nothing anymore. That's what I'm saying. I'm not posting to no. I'm doing what I'm doing, and it's straight to YouTube, and that's what it is. So you already know what it is. It's your boy Get Cuddy, SDMG the label. I am the guru. I am the next one up. Just chill, be patient. I guarantee you, we gonna make it there.
On the ass they sit, but these niggas they don't see me. And where I'm from, I'm on top, but these niggas won't beat me. I stay low, I stay high, I ain't defeating my demons. And just know you ain't riding if you ain't feeding them either. I got my cousin on my side, if he ain't leaving, I ain't either. We did this shit from a jet, Leo ass from the breathers. All I do is hot bars, so I'm giving them fevers. And fevers Jay-Z, I was Nas with the ether.